Chris's Corner. In today's episode, we will be doing hamburgers with my special guest, Nana.
Hi.
Alright guys, we have all our special ingredients here, and my Nana will be reading or saying all these beautiful ingredients. So tell them what we have.
Okay, so tonight we have some lovely brioche buns that we're going to be using. They should be lovely. We also have our secret burger sauce, special burger sauce, and this one here is another special burger sauce. Also, we're going to be putting on some lettuce, some onion, some lovely tomatoes that were grown in Chrissy's garden, and some pickled cucumbers. So I think that will make a beautiful bun, don't you, Chrissy?
Burgers, buns. And we also have our lovely meat, but Mum was too lazy to make our own meat, so we had to buy it. And we have our lovely cheese. Now let's get to the grill top or the oven.
Okay.
Alright, we're over to the cooktop, and now Nana will start to place the burger patties onto the pan or the pot. And we'll be right back to put the cheese on top when these are fully cooked.
Well, I'm here. Let's see what's happening here in the kitchen. Oh, well, yes.
Some nice burgers happening here.
Nice burgers happening here. Yeah.
Gourmet
Do you think they're good?
I think you guys are doing a fantastic job, and I can't wait to taste it.
Pretty much all almost cooked, so we'll have Nana chuck some nice cheese on it, and we'll slightly melt it, and then we'll put them on the burger.
And it's starting to melt, so I think we're ready to go.
I'll grab the plates. Right, this is mine. I want that one.
You want that one? You want the one with the extra cheese? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
And small patty.
Okay. Next, please.
We have our delicious lean patties on the bun, and we're going to start building them up. So Nana will do hers and Poppy's, and I'll be doing mine.
So Christina, what are you going to put on yours?
I'm going to be putting onion, tomato, and lettuce. What are you going to be putting on yours?
I think I'm going to put everything. I think I'm going to put the lettuce, the tomato, some onion on Poppy's, and some of the pickles. Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Of course, I think everybody is just waiting.
Yeah, even I'm starving.
These beautiful, beautiful gourmet hamburgers that we've made together today.
It smells good from here.
Huh?
It does smell
I
very
think it
good.
looks pretty good. We'll give Poppy a bit of onion, not too much. Yeah,
You'll get onion bread.
onion bread.
I like the onion
or
bread.
some burping maybe.
I like the onion bread.
Yeah, Poppy always burps.
So we just put a few little bits on
You
there.
already ran out of lettuce.
Now, are you having this sauce or are you having tomato sauce?
I want tomato sauce.
Okay, well I think we'll have this sauce. Oh gosh, we have an extra share with the
This
sauce.
sauce come out good.
Alright, let's put some sauce on Poppy's. Oops.
Alright, I'm done with mine.
Can't get much sauce out of it at once, so we might have to put it in.
And I'm done with my burger.
There you go. There's yours, that one, and there's my one.
Alright, we finished the burgers. I want to thank my Nana for helping me today, and see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Bye!